Yeah, so hello everyone, welcome to our live session today. So I'm so excited to have you here, and we got some really cool rewarding also. And now we're going to discuss some scripts and basics of scripts, to how to use them, how to access, and why they're important, and how they can help you by creating things. Today we're diving into basic scripts, how to use them, how to access, why they're important, and how they can help you, and also creating some amazing things. And now we have to proceed in our basic scripts to how to access scripting. First, how to access scripts, by the way. So by first, this is the first procedure to locate your script folders. To access this script, you need to find this object trigger component. So let me show you. Here in our default template of Word, we have to select this DIY. By getting an object, here you will see the properties. At properties, we see in our bottom the add component. At add component, we have the sub menu right here, and click the second one. Those will also indicate as trigger. And here there's bunches of a script that will execute your scripts by using interactions. So we choose this interact, and here you will see the button menu. At button, we will see the on click, which is indicate the scripts. Just click the plus button and edit. That is the first one to access to your script folders or scripts executions. Next, we also have a UI section. In UI section, you will find this on the top right here. Just click this and scroll up or scroll down as long you will see this UI. So for now we have a default UI. So click edit, and here beside your UI selected is have a button, which is a settings icon. Just click it and edit. Now we're here at the UI design template. Here we have the interactive. We have 4 types of interactions buttons are to execute your scripts. For now, we're using a button, and go to property. At property, just scroll down and you will see a built-in functions. Built-in functions is a library from this button. Okay, so once we click, we have a execution of your scripts. So this is the second option to access your script. And last, we have the third is the object properties. So as I mentioned before, built-in function, which is our objects has on a built-in functions when it comes character jumps, or when character is killed. Also, we have a when broadcast right here at the top. Where is it? Settings, UI. Here in UI property, you'll see this when broadcast is received, and here's the third step to locate the scripting, which is the NPC. At NPC, you will see a here when character jumps, when character is killed. So just click plus and edit, and you will be accessing your scripts. Also, we have a broadcast. So every object has own broadcast received. Just click plus and you will add a broadcasting name. So for now, we have to name it demo. Confirm. Click your created broadcast, then confirm, and hit edit. And there, you can access your script folder. And now, I'm going to discuss the parts of scripts. So first one here at the green box is called script area, and the second one is our script blocks. This script blocks to execute your scripts or your program that will be logic and conditions. On blocks menu, here is a designated commands or set commands or logics that you will be put into our script blocks. So for example, here at command, we will set the objects. At logic, we have to delay our next execution blocks, and expression, we have to modify our objects. Next is the flow of scripts. So by flowing the scripts right here, once we go set the first block, it will execute and then wait for once we put 4 seconds. So first is execute the object, and then it will count into 4 seconds before proceeding to the next block. So that is the flow of our script. It executes one by one, starting from the top and ends to bottom. And here we have if condition, that is I will discuss it later on, but for now we move to our next presentation. Blocks you need to know. So first one is the set block. This is the casual we used in our scripts. Set block is used for changing the property and object, or of the object. So we have here, the example is changing the colors first, and here at DIY we have to select the object that we need to change. And next, on devices, we have the interactive button. So from the first presentation, I present the how to access the scripts, right? So now we have the interactive button. Just click property and hit plus, then edit. And here we have the script area. Here in command, we will see the set block. So this block can change your object color. By selecting this object, press OK, and then set the property based on this, based on your script, or which one do you like to change. Just click plus and check, and we will change it into green. And now, so there. Once we click it, there, it changed the color. Next is we have a wait seconds. Wait second. Wait second is used to delay the next executing block. For example, wait for 3 seconds, then the text will pop up. So here we need to script that example. On DIY we have text right there. Add text, then scale it. Let's make it bigger. Here at properties, you need to change the fonts if you want to. Now this text is we need to disable it to visible. So just click this text property, and then it's active. You will see at the top of the text at the right side, and then check this is active. To make it disabled, just uncheck the is active option. And now once we play, it will disappear. Wait, let me delete this button first. Okay, so now we disable the text. We have to apply the wait seconds before the text will pop up. Here at edit, on logic, we will see this wait 0 second. We put a 3 seconds from the presentation. Yeah, wait 3 seconds, then the text will pop up. You have to put the set block and get the text object. Press OK, and then select the property. On is active, check it and set it into true. True is marked as check. False is marked as uncheck. So we set it to true. Then after 3 seconds, once we click it, starting to count in 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. So the text will be pop up. So that's the process of wait seconds. Next we have here the animated set block. In animated is same with the set block, but this one has a animated transitions. Here in example, we have the changing location. Now we delete this blocks, and by accessing it, here you will see this a blocks or animated block. Now by selecting the object, this object, we will move it to other location by changing the property here at word position or position. It's up to you which one you will use. So just click the word position, and you will be accessing the index of our platform. Now we modified this from so y. Let's change the y index in 10. And here you will see this is the transition to make it more smoother. Just pick whatever you want. For me is the quadratic. Now once we hit the play and click this, it will change the location there. So to apply the wait seconds, after 3 seconds it will change the location of the object. So click 1, 2, 3, There. What if we apply the changing colors also? There. We will change the color into green first, and then wait for 3 seconds. It will change the location of the object. So hit play. Once we click, set it to green color, wait for 3 seconds, it will change the location. That is the previous I said as a execute one by one. Set the block to green first and then wait for the 3 seconds. It will change to the location. Next, here the expression. This one will be your long-term study because each categories has a different types of their parameters or assigned or designated process. So expression is a set bunch of broken blocks which can assign in designated process of your script logic. So for now, I will present the expression of the system. At system, you will be accessing the background music, texture, like that, and filter also. At world, of course, you can set the joystick to disable it, or the jump button, and also the toolbar. Which, if you want your visitors can change their avatars, you will set this toolbar to false. So hit the play. As you can see here, this is the toolbar. When we click it, oh, jump button. Oh, okay. Oh. Interesting. I think we found the bug. Oh no. So jump button. For example, jump button, we hit the click, and it's already disabled. On settings, ayun. Jump button, toolbar, then play. Click, play again. Okay, so this one will be a bug, I think. We found a bug for now. So let's go back to our expression. At expression, we have here the text to modify your text layout. So here the example. We set the set block on expression. We will modify the text by getting the object, okay, and then text, and check. So we get the text property. Here you can assign right away or by joining. Use the join expression. So this one will be player, and then this one is my name, like that. There. You can also use this library to call player by going to our expression and this property block. Drag this player to the property and get the player name. And now you can drag it here. So now we have a called player name. So once we click, let's make this visible. Check the is active to make it visible and play. So for now, the properties is enter text, right? So once we click this, there, player, it's production. That's how you use the expressions blocks.